All right, Topwater Tony back at it again. Back at it again. Okay, well, we're on another little road trip with a flip phone.
What's up, America?
There he is. And we have got ETA to where we're going is 10:51. We're going down to Franklin, Kentucky.
Undisclosed location.
I didn't think I'd ever do it, but I'm going to pick up another car, and this is going to be pretty exciting. We had to stop and get us a little food. We got some Burger King.
Croissants.
So now we're getting back on the road. So we'll check in with you in a little bit. All right, we are still on the road, headed down to Franklin, Kentucky, to look at potentially my new car. We have got about an hour to go, 49 miles, maybe a little bit less than an hour. Looks like we're actually going to stop at the Corvette Museum.
Yes.
No sense in wasting a trip. So we're going to hopefully pick this car up and on the way back, stop at the museum and carry on from there. You don't want to go on a boat ride, huh?
No.
Mammoth Cave?
I don't know. It's like a little too much for one day. Too much excitement for one day.
Flip phone. No sense of adventure. All right. Next update here in a little bit. All right, guys, we made it to Franklin, Kentucky.
Hallelujah.
Lots of cute little town, lots of little nice shops and whatnot. Oh, we got the radio on. So we've got 3 minutes to go, and we'll be at the seller's house. Piggly Wiggly.
Wow, those are. I remember them back in the day. Where was that when I lived when they had those? Connecticut, I think. Brings back memories.
Memories no like the corners of my mind.
I think they have them in Florida.
Mystery.
That in Publix.
Uh-oh. 291. We're getting cheap.
Cheap.
We're gonna have to fill up before we get out of here. Or on the highway. I think we saw some 289 on the highway. Exit 81.
Mapco. That's a new one.
That's weird.
Never heard of that one.
Oops, and I'm going under the light. Almost a little bit too far. Wipers are driving me nuts.
Wonder what was that? Mapco.
There we go.
Nice little town.
Gas in town's like 329 or so. Here's 291. We saw 303 and a 280 something on the highway. I actually think I see it up here behind that white truck, if that's it, which I think it is. It looks good.
You're gonna buy it. I know you are.
Oh, what a long drive. Okay, as we brought the rain with us,
4.5 hours.
hopefully my camera don't get all wet. And this is what we're looking at. Nissan Cube. That's right. Don't laugh. Nissan Cube.
I'm the one that's laughing. I was kidding.
Oh, get my feet wet. Uh-oh. What's that? Is that supposed to be like it?
A little scratch.
Oh, look like
Touch up paint.
Look like a dent. It is.
Maybe a little. Might be able to pop it out. Looks pretty good shape.
Yep, nope, no dents over here.
Well, right here.
We got one little dent.
A little touch of paint. Other than that, it looks pretty good.
So far the worst part that I see is right here.
Things gonna be open? Yeah, right. Got a little down here, but you might be able to touch this up.
Yeah, the front's to be expected with the rocks and stuff like that, but this, somebody hit a tree or something.
Yeah. It's not that noticeable.
Yeah, it is. Because I noticed it.
No. Hey, it's your money, so get what you want. What does the interior look like? Pretty nice.
Factory radio.
Interior looks very nice. Seats look like brand new.
I think he said he replaced the tires. They're very good. Of course, those are going to be changed eventually.
Well, the rims will be changed.
The windshield, he said, had a little chip in it somewhere, which I don't even see it yet. Yeah, that's fixable. As long as they don't start to spider.
They usually don't unless it gets really cold. I got a couple in my van. Those are supposed to be expected. Lights look good. No haze on the light.
Yeah, which is odd since they're
What's this thing?
plastic. I think that's where you put a tow hook.
Okay.
Pop that out and you screw like a thingy in there, I think.
You're probably right.
Yeah, all the race cars got them.
Okay.
Come on out, Larry.
Larry the Pig. Well, they got a ring doorbell, so they're watching us.
Oh, there's a doggy.
Oh wow. A happy dog. Happy dog.
Hi, how you doing?
Hey,
Yep,
all right. Y'all come on in.
this is his nickname is Flip Phone.
Oh,
How you doing?
good to see you.
Keith.
Keith?
Yes.
All right.
Hello.
Oscar, stay down.
Oh.
Stay down.
Got me.
He just leaks. Stay down. He just leaks and tastes so bad.
Come here. Hi, I'm Allison.
Nice to meet you. All right, we are
You
in,
gotta trust me to do that.
and it looks really nice in here.
Very clean.
It
Smells nice.
It smells good.
They've been doing some detailing because look how it shines. So
Doesn't
they've been cleaning this up.
Doesn't have push button. Oops, slippery. Doesn't have push button start. And I gotta put this seat up a little bit.
A little scratch there, but
I can live with that.
oh yeah. But yeah, it's very clean.
Okay, good start. Radio works. Put the camera on me. Is that?
That's forward.
Okay. Interesting.
Oh, there you go.
No, that's second. Oh wait. Okay, it's like Scotty's. Okay. Camera on me. Okay. Had to lift up on it.
Oh, you lift up on the handle.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was like my old Camaro back in the day. Clutch feels good.
Praise for.
Camera on me.
Well, I don't know. Is it on you? I guess that's on. Oh, like this? People think I'm.
All right. Now where's the wipers? There they are. Clutch feels good. All right. Nice. Definitely get a lot of good visibility in here. That's for sure. It's like all windows.
Spacious.
Let's get that second gear. Oh yeah, I'll put you in the seat. Blinker works. Got the brights on for. Oh, no, it's the headlights. Never mind.
People go, what is he taking a picture of?
Come on, man. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Slip the clutch. What I do? Go to 6? No, 6 is down here.
You're asking the wrong person.
So we got a 2009 Nissan Cube with a 6-speed manual. I like it quite a bit. It's very clean except for that one little crease on the side, which I guess I'll have to get that taken care of. Because if I can see the crease in the bodywork, you'll see the crease in the wrap when it's done. It's been a long time since I've messed with any manuals. So I'm gonna have to get used to feathering the clutch a little better. But feels good, feels smooth. I mean, once I lower it, I guess it's probably not gonna. What I do? Okay, gotta get used to that. It's probably gonna ride a little rougher when I get it when I lower it. Okay, where are we at? I lost track of.
Your camera went off.
Yeah, it's just a screensaver. Just
okay.
as long as it's facing towards me.
Well, I don't know. It's dark.
We got an amateur cameraman here.
Hey.
Focus on the steering wheel. Steering wheel's nice and straight. No shimmy. That's good. Guess I should try to see if the heat's working, but we'll mess with that here in a minute.
Yeah, it's quite cold in here.
It's raining. We brought the rain down here, so we're gonna have to find some place with like a cover to get out and actually open the doors up and everything.
Oh.
He's slipping.
You don't.
Okay, wipers. Good wipers. We got a little chip in the windshield. Gotta get that fixed. No big deal.
Oh, there's actually 2.
We got 2 chips in the windshield. Gotta get that fixed. No big deal.
I didn't see that one.
Brakes feel good. I don't know if can't remember what he said about the brakes, but they're good. How's that leg room over there? You got any?
Oh my, yeah, plenty. A lot of headroom.
Oh yeah. We could actually chop the top and have still plenty. There's like over a foot of headroom. Show the headroom up there. Show the circle.
I think Shaquille O'Neal could fit in this thing.
Yeah, definitely. You can tap on the screen to actually make the screen come back up. It's the screen. It's on screensaver now.
Oh.
So yeah, we got plenty of headroom. See that?
That's kind of neat, a little circle.
See my head?
Oh, yes. Oh yeah.
Cute little car.
You can make a little design with this, with the circle.
That is the design.
Put like little lights in there.
There we go. We got some heat now.
You're welcome. I'll put my 2 cents in.
Emergency flashers at work. What's this? Passenger airbag. Show the little shelf here. I like the little shelf right there. That's pretty cool. Now some of the ones, some of the cubes have like a little shag carpet that fits right here, like a little oval shaped carpet. I don't know why they did that, but this one's not there. I don't really need it.
Back on you.
Back on me. Hey. We gotta look at that back seat back here. Oh, there's a lot of room back here. Oh, let's see my back. We got cup holders up here. We got cup holders down here. 3 of them. I'm guessing. I think there's some in the door.
Yep.
Towards the rear of the door.
There's one right here. Many cup holders.
I wonder where the cruise control is. They got tweeters up here too. Factory tweeters. More than likely going to take out the factory radio and put in something a little, well,
Modern.
all right, we got 154,000 miles. We found the manual.
Oh.
Is that a very deep glove box?
Very deep. See? Price is right.
Ta-da. Thank you, Vanna. All right, very, very smooth ride. Let her run in neutral.
Yeah, you gotta check the engine. See how clean it is. That's what you
confused on where everything is. Rides real good.
Yes, it does. I really don't want to sell it. That's my husband's call. If I had my druthers, I'd hang on to it because I love driving a stick and it's just smooth.
I'm so used to driving automatics. I got to a stop sign. And I'm like, why is the car doing that? Oh yeah, I gotta put the clutch in.
Right.
Oh yeah, there it is. Up. Up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, that's not too big of a deal. What was that?
That noise?
Yeah.
Makes a little chirp every now and then. It's not that
I think that might be the heater.
Oh, that's the
Heater clicking on and off.
I bet that's the what do you call those? Tensioner pulley. I bet you.
You think? I don't think that might be the heater clicking on and off.
That's the one of the pulleys. Bearings have gone bad.
You all look in the trunk already?
That's what I was wondering if you opened up the trunk.
Let me get in there. There's a leak somewhere.
Like rubber's brand new.
Yeah, but the floor, the carpet's wet down here.
Yeah, it is.
I didn't even open it back here. Is it this?
What are you trying to open?
I think there's a, that's where the spare is. I'm not sure how it opens though.
I think you have to unscrew that, I think.
All right. Maybe you in. Get ready to get out there.
Yeah, I think that's a pulley with a, that has bad bearings in it.
Oh.
All right, well, going through all the gears, it feels good. There's like a little something in third, but I think that was just me, how I'm kind of not used to driving a manual. But it seems like it's a good one. Got a little chatter with what I think is a idler pulley or something of that nature. When the AC defrost kicks on or whatever. I don't hear it driving, but I don't think I would. But at idle, it definitely chatters, so I gotta look at that. But overall, I think it's pretty nice, except for there's, I think, a little leak in the back. There's the carpet back there in the back is kind of wet. The rubber seal is good, but I don't know where that water is coming from. That's kind of weird. And of course, the crease on the passenger side. Other than that, I see nothing else wrong with it off the bat. And scene. Oh shit, I forgot. I'm driving it like an automatic. I was like, why is it starting to act weird? I got to shift. put the clutch in.
I was like, what's going on? The car stalled.
Okay. All right, we're getting on the highway. I don't think there's going to be anything any different. But just want to take it for a short drive. Yeah. Okay. And is that 6? Nope. That's 4th, I think. 5th. And 6th. Oh, maybe not. What gives there? Oh, there's 6. 70 miles an hour. Look at that steering wheel. Steering wheel.
Oh.
Feels good. Nice and straight. It's a beautiful day to go shopping for a car. When I called him, he said it wasn't raining in his town, but it was definitely raining a lot on the highway, and I guess we brought it to his town. This could be a sale. Okay, we're back, I guess. Whoops. I got my money's out there.
Track on the floor.
Let me
Cooking. Something's cooking.
Can we just go on in?
Come on.
I smell spaghetti.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna go out and say goodbye to my car.
She did not want
I've
to
been
say
driving
this
it a
today.
couple of weeks. I love it.
I understand. I've been in that spot before.
Yes, you're
At the top.
right here on the blank lines, just your
Okay.
name and address, phone number. In case I want to come up and get it back.
Yeah, you know where to find it.
She'd be mad. She won't speak to me for
I
a week.
still have to go grocery shopping.
I tell you what, buying cars makes me nervous. I don't do it often, so that's why I'm like,
Oh, she was
See, when
about to say,
when I signed for mine.
it's a pleasure to meet you guys.
Right?
Tony, good to see you.
Same here. Thank you very much. All right, guys, here it is. Title, bill of sale, and we're going to be headed back north.
All right,
Thank you very much.
it's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. All right, we'll catch you on YouTube.
Okay, cool.
All right. You all have a safe trip back.
Thank
Nice
you.
Thanksgiving.
All right, you too.
All right, guys, we are at the Corvette Museum here in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Oh, yeah. Hello, Margaret.
We're going to take a little break from heading back home and check this out. Since we're here, might as well, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, how often do we need to get down this way? Go right by it.
We're like driving back home in a torrential downpour, basically. Hard to see. So hopefully when we get out of here it'll be a little less, but I kind of doubt it.
We can only hope.
My feet are wet already. That's cool. Man. Tourist attraction. I've passed it up once before coming back from LS Fest, but this time we stopped. Corvette store. All right, looks like flip phone spent a little bit of money. And I guess we're gonna check out how much it costs to get into the Corvette Museum. I'm tired, I'm ready to go home.
such as the testing chamber which reproduces all types of road conditions.
The car has lived an interesting life. It only has 2,344 miles on the odometer, and still.
I think that's all of the employees have built in such a
It's got to be somebody's collection of die cast. My God. I noticed you didn't. Before we get on the interstate.
Wait, we can try this on the track.
You know, it's really fun. It's exhilarating. There's not a whole lot.
That is so not.
The car was beautiful. And Dad was the complete opposite.
I used to watch that show.
Ren and Stimpy.
Yeah. Happy Joy Joy.
And we really got to give these guys credit because they did this on their
All right. My other camera, my GoPro died because it's been on all day. So we're about to take off from the Corvette Museum and
I'm tired.
and head home. It's still raining, so this is gonna suck.
Yes, it is.
All right. Until next time, peace.
That'd be good. That'd be good.
Catch you later. All right, Flip Phone's got a little sweet tooth. You didn't lose your money, did you?
No, I'm trying to figure out these stupid machines. Where the hell you put the quarter in?
I don't know. Does it even take quarters? Uh-oh. Oh, hey, you won.
Maybe.
That's like Vegas. You got money back.
Maybe it doesn't. I didn't see a coin thing.
So we're on 71, taking a little break. We are tired. It seems like from my house to Louisville, it's not bad, I guess, because we're used to that. But from Louisville down to Franklin, Kentucky, it seems like it's taken forever.
Lots of traffic.
And we just got on 71 off of 265, so we still got a ways to go. And here he is feeding the machine. He's trying. Will he get the food? Hey, it took it. All I gotta do is just get some food back. Or some candy back.
Hey.
Pop-Tarts.
Snacker champions.
What kind of food did you get at the stop a while back?
A water and a big bag of chips.
Oh.
This will fill my other leg.
I'm tired, but we got a cube that's going home with me, so mission accomplished. Feels like we've been driving for hours, which we really have, and we've still got, we're gonna get back to my house at about a little after 7:30. Woo, what a long day. All right, we made it back.
Oh, that was a long ride.
We have had a 13 and a half hour day. Luckily we made it here okay. I'm not for sure if that sound I heard is a pulley or the clutch going bad. Go figure. But we made it. Thanks to Flip Phone.
No problem. Glad to help.
Thanks to Larry and his wife and his little dog for the hospitality while we're there doing the paperwork and paying the money and stuff like that. We made a nice stop at the Corvette Museum and a few other stops, so that's why it took like 13 and a half hours. But we are here ready to relax. He's still got to drive home.
Yes, I do. Got another
Tip City.
25 minutes probably.
That ain't bad. You'll be all right.
Oh yeah, be home by 8.
And I'm gonna jump on the couch and chill for a minute.
You got to put this away first.
So until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.